Welcome to the CSAT series. Today's the question is, what is the unit digit in the expansion of 57,242 to the power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1? This question was previously asked in the CSAT 2023 paper. So, look at the options. Everywhere you have a one digit number. So, here the idea is, if you solve this, you will get answer as a single digit number. So, this is your understanding. This must be your understanding while looking at this question. So, next thing is, so what is the meaning of this? 57,242 to the power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. So, this is called as the base value, and these are all together form the product. The product is called the power. So, first let us simplify this value to the product. So, 9 into 7, 63. 9 into 7, 63, 5 into 3, 15, multiplying with 1 give the same value. Next thing, we can multiply 63 into 15. So, how much will I get is 945. So, what is the meaning? 57,242 to the power 945. Find the unit digit of this expansion. First, we have decoded the values like this. Now, we are going to decode the phrase given in the question. Find the unit digit of 57,242 to the power 945. So, the thing is, find the unit digit of, what is the meaning? Just find the last digit of the result. Just you need to find the last digit of the result. For example, if 12 into 12 is given to you, find the unit digit of the result. So, what you will do? First find the product. 12 into 12, 144, and the answer is, find the unit digit of 12 into 12 is the question. So, what is the answer? 4 must be your answer, not 144. Here the last digit is 4, thus I wrote 4 as the answer. So, this is the concept. You can note down concept number 1. Find the unit digit of mean last digit of the result you need to find and mark from the option given. The next concept, concept number 2, can take down. So, in this 57,242 to the power 945, if you want to find in the exam, means you all know that calculator is not allowed in the examination. So, without calculator, how you want to find this is, you can use the concept 2 instead of the calculator, because we are not going to get the full answer, just we want the last digit of this answer, right. So, here concept 2 tell us, take the unit digit of the base. What is the base? 57,242. From the base, you just pick up the 2. Yes, I have taken. And the powers, what is the power? The entire value you want to take and write. So, why I have simplified like this? Because if you solve 2 power 945, what is the unit digit you will get? The unit digit is as same as the result of the expansion 57,242 power 945. Using this logic, we can crack this within few seconds without the calculator. So, what is the second concept? 57,242 power 945, the unit digit will be equal to 2 power 945. Let me show you one more example. For example, you can take 3933, suppose given the power is 1008, which will be equal to, what is the last digit? 3, which will be equal to 3 power 008 in the manner of same unit digit. They both will have same unit digit at the result. So, this is the concept number 2 you can note down. We have learned two concepts, concept number 1 and concept number 2. So, according to the concept number 2, I can write this entire number as, actually this is what given in the question. So, further I can write this as 2 power 945. Now, the requirement is you need to find the unit digit of 2 power 945. I have rewritten the question as find the unit digit of 2 power 945. Here you can notice one thing, the base is a smaller number and the power is a larger number. How to deal with larger number without a calculator? Here you can note down the short trick will help you to solve the question without the calculator. So, note down the short trick. The short trick is find the cyclicity number, second one, divide the power by the cyclicity number. Shortly I have written cyclicity number CYC, NO for number. Then take the remainder. After division you will be getting some remainder in every case. Here you can consider the remainder and finally substitute the remainder with the power. So, if you follow these steps, you will be getting a final result. What is the unit digit of that result? You can take as your answer always. So, this is a universal short trick you can apply for any unit digit based simplification with powers. Next thing, I am going to apply the shortcut rule to find the unit digit of this number. Okay. Just now we have discussed, we have taken 2 power 945, the final simplified value. We want to find the unit digit for the result. So, find the cyclicity number. So, as you all know, the cyclicity number for 2's power, cyclicity number for the power of 2, which is equal to 4 numbers, you all know that. So, for 4, we want to consider this 4 as the cyclicity number in this case. The next thing, find the cyclicity number. I have written 4. Divide the power by the cyclicity number. What is the power given? 945. So, just divide 945 with 4. How much do you get? 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, and finally I get 6 times 4 is 24. The remainder in this case is 1. So, take the remainder. So, take the remainder number 1 in this case. So, substitute the remainder with the power. So, the power is 945. In the place of 945, I need to write 1. So already 2 is in the base. So powers are just substituted. 2 power 1. What is the answer for 2 power 1? You can take that. 2 power 1, 2. Only single digit number we got. So this is the unit digit of 2 power 1. Not only 2 power 1, it is also the unit digit of 2 power 945. Not only 2 power 945, it is also the unit digit of the given question 57,242 power 945. The unit digit is 2. So in this way, you can mark this. Before that, if there is any beginner watching this video, you might wonder how to find the cyclicity number for the powers of 2. For you, I can give you the concept of cyclicity. So cyclicity number. So cyclicity number means only while dealing with powers of any single digit value, we will get some cyclicity pattern. So based on that, the number is allotted to every number. So note down what are the single digit numbers. For all those numbers, we are having some cyclicity of the repetition of unit digit in their power value. So the single digit values are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. We have all the single digit numbers are having some cyclicity with their power. Now just we discussed about 2. So 2 powers, okay. In the powers of 2, I want to show you one thing. Just I am going to write all the powers of 2 from 1 to 10. So 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, 64, 2 power 7, 128, 2 power 8, 256, 2 power 9, 512, 2 power 10, 1024. So what does it mean? Here, these are all the results while you saw the powers of 2 up to 10. Now, just look at their unit digit. 2 is the unit digit. Here 4, here 8, here 6. Okay, here 2, 4, 8, 6, here 2, here 4. What you can see here? 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, again 2, 4. It is repeating in a cycle of 4 numbers. So the understanding is the unit digits repeat themselves after a period of 4 numbers. So the cyclicity of number 2 is 4. So the cyclicity of number 2 is 4. Thus we got it. Like this, some other numbers from this 1 to 9 also having 4 as the cyclicity. Some numbers have 1 as the cyclicity. Some numbers have 2 as the cyclicity. For your reference, I am going to give those values. You can use it later with this concept. Cyclicity number for 3. So here, how you want to get it? Just write all the powers of 3 up to 5. It's enough. 3 power 1, 3, 3 square, 9, 3 cube, 27, 3 power 4, 81, 3 power 5. If you multiply 81 with 3, you will get 243. This is just for your reference, right? So, what is the idea here? Look at the units digit. The units digit means last digit you all know. 3 here, 9 here, the unit digit 7 here, unit digit 1, unit digit 3. What is the understanding? Here also the units digit repeat themselves within the period of 4 different numbers. So again 3, after that 9 will come 7, 1. This is the sequence. So we can say cyclicity number for 3 is 4. So cyclicity number is 4 when you are dealing with any power with the base 3, right? So cyclicity number for 3 is 4. Like that, not only 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, for the base 2, 3, 7, 8. Not only the base 2, 3, 7, 8. The base ends with, you can write. So that not only 2, 12, 32, 15,972 may be the base. So for that base you can apply cyclicity number is 4. For 3, not only 3, 13, 23, 93, 273, 18,543, like that value, whatever the power you can apply, the cyclicity number is 4. Okay. Similarly for 7 and 8. For 2, 3, 7, 8, the cyclicity number going to be 4. Next thing, cyclicity number for 4 and 9. There is a similarity between the cycles because these two numbers have cyclicity number as 2. Okay. What about the balanced number? The cyclicity number for the remaining numbers 0, 1, 5 and 6, they will be getting same numbers as the result. For example, if 1 power 132, what is the unit digit? The result itself 1 digit number, so the unit digit is 1. What is 11 square? It also give you 121. Here the unit digit is 1. And what is 21 square? Here also we will be getting 441 as my result. So 1 is the ending number, unit digit. So 1 irrespective of any power give you the same number 1, not only 1, 1, 0, 5, 6. So these are the cyclicity concept, beginner can make use of this. Okay, now coming to the previous year question, how to solve the same question in exam. What is the approach? The exact approach in the exam to solve it quickly. So 57,242. Let me simplify first. 9 into 7, 63. 5 into 3, 15. 63 into 15 will give you 630 plus 315, 945. So just write the power 945. Next thing you can solve. This will be equal to the unit digit of 2 power 945. Just write the base value with the last digit and the power value, complete power value you want to write. So which will be equal to 2 power what? So here the power is larger number. Simplify this power into a very smaller number. For this, what is the idea? You want to divide this with the cyclicity number. What is the cyclicity number for 2? Here it is 4. Here it is 4. So 945 divided by 4. What is the remainder you will get? So ignore the quotient part. Only we want the remainder part. So the remainder is going to be 1. So the remainder is 1. What is the next step? Substitute remainder equal to the power. That's all. So I will make 945 as 1. So this is the final result. 2 power 1 is 2. So the answer is 2. This is the exam based approach for you. Now question for today. what is the unit digit in the expansion of 10082? The power is 78,975. Here you have 4 options. So, you can post your answer for this question in the comment section. So, the previous video's question explanation for you now. What is the remainder when the product of 185, 972, 809, 911, 495 and 196 is divided by 108? This question was given from the remainder theorem based on the previous video. So, just I have taken the values. Looking at the denominator part, here a number is given 108. This number is absolutely divisible by 9 as well as 3. So, just I am going to check any of the numerator number having the multiple of 9 to cancel this 108 so that the value will become simplified. So, checking what is the rule for 9? Sum of the digits must be the multiple of 9. So, what I do? Here I can check numbers one by one. Here I can see one number 9 plus 7 plus 2 which is equal to 18. Yes, I can see one of the number which is the multiple of 9. So, I can cancel. Here this 108 I am going to cancel with number 9. 1 times 9 is 9, balance 2, 2 times 9 is 18, 12 I got. Here I can cancel. 1 times 9 is 9, 0, 8 times 9 is 72. Further I got 12 here. So, again I can cancel this 12. 1 times 12 here, 9 times 12 is 108. So, finally, the denominator part turns to 1. So, I conclude here the remainder is 0 whenever I get denominator 1. So, answer is 0 for this question. In the next video, I will meet you with some other interesting question from the PYQ 2023. Thank you.